So if you guys just saw what was going on here, the cable actually entered in through the roller fair lead. Now to prevent that, we've got this Rugged Ridge winch line stopper here. This is a simple piece of a rubber material that wraps around the winch cable, tightens on with the 2 included screws, and it's going to prevent this from entering into your roller fair lead, which can cause a bunch of issues inside the drum there with some steel cable. You get 2 included screws to wrap around here, so I'm going to show you guys how to install that and prevent any issues with your steel cable winch. Alright guys, so what's going to need to happen is you'll pull this apart in 2 pieces, and then it's simply going to attach around the winch line like so. Now when you put this around, you're going to want to make sure that the hexagon side and the oval side are on 2 different sides. So hexagon's on this side, oval's on the back end. That way you can get the nut and it'll slide right into there. That way you don't have to worry about a wrench. And then what we're going to do is put the included hardware through the back side, and then get it started with a 5mm Allen key. Then we're going to work it around to the other side, place the nut into place. Same thing, bolt through the other side. Then we're going to get them tightened up with this 5mm Allen key. Make sure to do this nice and evenly so we have even pressure on both sides. Just go back and forth, make sure they're both secure. Now we're going to put the winch in. As you can see, the rubber prevents this end from going in there and causing any other issues. Keeps it out here nice and clean, and that'll complete your install. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.